we're gonna be juggling. First thing you do is you have to have 3 objects. I'm choosing 3 tennis balls, okay? So you have to keep 2 on one side, one hand, 1 on the other one. Then you just start kind of doing the motion like this. The first one you're gonna let go is the one that has the 2 objects, whatever you're choosing to juggle. So I'm choosing this. So I just start going like this to get the motion, and then I start letting go. You have to do the figure 8, which is kind of going like this, or the infinity figure, which is kind of like sending it like this. Figure 8 is like this, there. Which means you're throwing it like that. Practice 1 cycle and keep going with it, okay? Just keep going with it, okay? Then eventually you start getting it. Okay, that's 1 cycle. 1 cycle. I'm gonna try for 2. Okay, 2. 3.